The quest for the perfect project management tool often leads individuals and teams to Basecamp. With its promise of streamlined communication, organized tasks, and a central hub for all project-related information, it's understandable why many are drawn to its interface. However, a crucial question lingers for newcomers. Is Basecamp easy to learn? As a seasoned project management expert, I've witnessed firsthand the learning curves associated with various platforms. My aim here is to provide a comprehensive, jargon-free analysis of Basecamp's usability, specifically tailored for those considering adopting it or writing about it for educational purposes. We'll break down its core features, assess its intuitiveness, and ultimately determine how quickly and easily one can become proficient in using Basecamp. First impressions: a clean and uncluttered environment. Upon initial login, Basecamp often elicits a sigh of relief. Unlike some project management tools that overwhelm users with a dense array of menus, dashboards, and intricate settings, Basecamp presents a relatively clean and uncluttered environment. The main screen typically displays your active projects, each represented by a clearly labeled card or tile. This visual simplicity is a significant advantage for beginners. The primary navigation is usually located on the left-hand side, offering straightforward access to key areas like Home, Activity, and your individual projects. Within each project, the core functionalities are presented as distinct sections. Campfire, a real-time chat for quick discussions. Message board, for more structured discussions and announcements. To-do lists, for task management and assignment. Docs and files, a central repository for project documents. Automatic check-ins, for recurring questions and updates. Schedule, a calendar view for deadlines and events. This compartmentalized approach is inherently intuitive. Each function has its dedicated space, making it easy to understand its purpose and where to find relevant information. This stands in stark contrast to platforms where features are buried within layers of submenus, often leading to confusion and a steeper learning curve. Navigating the core features, simplicity in action. Let's delve deeper into the ease of learning each of Basecamp's core features. 1. Campfire. This is arguably the most straightforward feature. If you've ever used a chat application, you'll feel instantly comfortable with Campfire. It's a simple, real-time messaging tool where team members can exchange quick updates, ask questions, and have informal discussions. There are no complex formatting options or intricate settings to master. Typing a message and hitting send is all it takes. This ease of use makes it an immediate win for team communication and requires virtually no learning curve. 2. Message board. Moving beyond instant messaging, the message board provides a space for more structured discussions. Creating a new message is akin to writing an email, with options for a subject line and rich text formatting, though kept relatively simple. Organizing discussions by topic makes it easy to follow conversations and refer back to them later. The learning curve here is slightly higher than Campfire, primarily involving understanding the difference between a message and a comment, but it remains quite manageable for most users. 3. To-do lists. Task management is central to any project, and Basecamp's approach is refreshingly simple. Creating a to-do list is intuitive, allowing you to add tasks, assign them to team members, and set due dates. Within each task, you can add comments, attach files, and track progress. The drag-and-drop functionality for rearranging tasks within a list further enhances usability. While more advanced project management tools offer intricate dependencies and resource allocation features, Basecamp focuses on clarity and ease of use, making it exceptionally easy for anyone to understand and manage tasks. 4. Docs and files. Organizing project-related documents can often become a chaotic affair. Basecamp tackles this with a straightforward file storage system. Uploading files is a simple drag-and-drop process, and documents can be organized into folders. The platform also supports basic versioning, allowing you to track changes to documents. While it might not offer the advanced collaboration features of dedicated document management systems, its simplicity makes it easy for all team members to find and access necessary files without extensive training. 5. Automatic check-ins. This feature introduces a degree of automation to routine updates. Setting up recurring questions that are automatically sent to team members on a schedule is a powerful way to gather progress reports or feedback. The setup process is guided and clear, making it easy to define the questions, recipients, and frequency. Understanding how to respond to check-ins is equally simple, usually involving typing a brief update. This feature requires a small initial learning investment but offers significant benefits in terms of streamlined communication. 6. Schedule. The calendar functionality in Basecamp provides a visual overview of deadlines, events, and milestones. Adding new events is straightforward, with clear fields for dates, times, and descriptions. The ability to view the schedule by week or month enhances its usability. While it might lack the sophisticated scheduling capabilities of dedicated calendar applications, its integration within the project context makes it a valuable and easy-to-learn tool for keeping track of important dates. Factors contributing to Basecamp's ease of learning. Several key design principles contribute to Basecamp's reputation for being relatively easy to learn. Intuitive interface. As mentioned earlier, the clean and uncluttered design minimizes distractions and makes it easy to find what you're looking for. Labels are clear, and icons are generally self-explanatory. Logical workflow. The way features are organized within each project follows a logical flow. Communication happens in Campfire and the message board. Tasks are managed in to-do lists, and files are stored in docs and files. This intuitive structure reduces the cognitive load on new users. Contextual help. Basecamp offers helpful tooltips and guidance within the interface, providing context and explanations when needed. This reduces the need to constantly refer to external documentation. Simple feature sets. While Basecamp offers a robust set of core project management features, it deliberately avoids overwhelming users with excessive complexity. The focus is on providing essential tools that are easy to understand and use effectively. Gradual adoption. Teams can often adopt Basecamp incrementally, starting with the most crucial features and gradually incorporating others as needed. This phased approach makes the learning process less daunting. Potential areas for initial confusion. While generally easy to learn, a few areas might present minor hurdles for some new users. Understanding the difference between Campfire and the message board. Initially, some users might be unsure when to use the real-time chat versus the more structured message board. Clear internal guidelines can help address this. Notifications. Managing notifications effectively is crucial to avoid being overwhelmed.